This has been a video by RNSeth101. I just solved a Rubik's Cube in like around about 2 minutes, so yeah. I'm sorry if this came out a little blurry because man-made cameras have not become that. See, it's getting a little shaky and holographic and stuff. So cameras on the YouTube camera isn't sorry, I guess the cameras on man-made YouTube cameras, the YouTube website video webcam thing isn't that, isn't that reliable. So also made this. Which this is easy to solve. So yeah. So yeah, it's been a video about RNSeth101. I can start solving it more, and I can do it slower. Give it a new tutorial based. I memorized my hand movements, so yeah. It's almost midnight, and I just felt bored. I felt like doing this because I just watched Lucy. My brain is like rushing from that. So yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.